Hi, this message is for my attorney. These are the pre-installed uh, d- programs that are on my device, and I'm unable to stop them or delete them. It's not letting me uninstall them. It's got the area grayed out. It's allowed to modify system settings, and it's all in Chinese. This is very disturbing. Um, I think this definitely calls for some type of a legal invasion of privacy, because look, it allows the modify system and allows to display over other apps. Oh wow, that means that could just take you down a never-ending rabbit hole, couldn't it? That wrench right there, it's sort of like a wrench in your life, huh? Threw a wrench in my spokes when I'm riding a bike. That would stop me. Well, this is something that's very, very troubling, and I need to take this information to an attorney, privacy attorney. Thank you.